we have started Karmosri project. Now Gandhiji name is not there. I am really sorry. I am feeling same. Father of the nation, Narega program in the name of Gandhiji. Now the bill came, Gandhiji's name won't be there. I cannot blame anybody except me because I belong to this country. I am feeling same. Because we are forgetting even father of the nation. So we have started this scheme, Karmosri. This scheme's name will be changed, Mahatmaji schemes. There also we give 75 days to 100 days job. We have created so many mandates. We are not the beggars. We only want respect, nothing else. If you don't give respect to Mahatma Ji, we will give respect. We know how to give respect to Mahatma Ji, Netaji, Rabindranath, Nazrul, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bal Pal, Rajendra Prasad. In everywhere, we love every community people, every freedom fighters.